welcome to my YouTube channel, Head Session with Precious. And my name is Precious Chukwuegozie. I'll be taking you on a session on how to prevent kidney disease. Very, very important. We've been hearing kidney disease, kidney transplants. What are we going to do about it? Seriously, we have to actually learn how to prevent this kidney disease. First of all, we'll be looking at the causes of kidney failure. These kidney diseases, how does it come about? What causes it, or this kind of diseases? How do we recognize it? Like the symptoms of these kidney diseases. Like what are the signs you see that tell you that, okay, it seems I'm having kidney disease, or I need to go and see a doctor, that kind of thing. And its complications, so what it leads to. Very, very important. But before we go on to that, please subscribe to this channel to get more amazing health tips and facts. You don't want to miss it. Don't forget to like, comment, and also share. Thank you so much as you do that. Now back to kidney disease. What is kidney? First of all, ask yourself, what is the kidney? What does it do? For those of us who don't know what it does or what the kidney looks like, it looks like a bean shape. Yes, our kidney looks like a bean. Yes, it has a bean shape, and it actually helps us in detoxifying harmful substances in the body. Those harmful substances that the body don't need, the kidney actually turns them into something that we can actually give off as waste. That it filters water and harmful substance, poisons, toxins from the blood and gives it off in our urine. So the kidney in turn also actually makes our urine that we give off, that we pass out of our body. That is the function of the kidney. You see, God is wonderful. If these things are actually in our body and they actually accumulate in our body, it makes us sick, it makes us weak. And so the kidney actually functions to help us give off this waste out of our body. Now imagine if the kidney doesn't perform these functions again. Can you now imagine what will be going on in your body? The kidney doesn't filter water again. It doesn't filter toxins from the blood. It doesn't actually produce urine again. That means, oh God, you don't even want to imagine it at all, seriously. So now we have to actually take care of our kidney. Very, very important. If the kidney does not perform these functions, the ammonia that is produced during the breakdown of protein and amino acids in the body, it actually has to be given off through the urine. And if the ammonia accumulates in your body, it makes us sick. You start experiencing symptoms like tiredness, you can't sleep, you lack concentration, you start seeing blood in your urine becomes so foamy. These are signs of kidney diseases. And we have to actually go, once you notice these signs, you have to actually go and see a doctor. Very, very important. So it doesn't deteriorate. You know how to start treating it on time before it gets worse, before you start talking about dialysis and start talking about kidney transplant and the next. That is why we have to actually take care of our body very, very well. These organs that God gave to us, they are there for a particular purpose. So we have to take care of them. Mind what you take into your body. Very, very important. And the complications of this kidney disease, once they start, it can lead to various things, various other diseases that are even life-threatening. Now, the other causes of the kidney disease. Do you know that diabetes can actually cause kidney disease? Yes, it can. You have to actually know that. And if you want to know more about diabetes, catch us in our next section on Health Session with Precious, and we'll discuss more about diabetes. Now, also, hypertension actually causes diabetes. Sorry, it actually causes kidney failure. Yes, you have to actually know that. High blood pressure causes kidney failure, kidney disease. You have to actually note that. Yes, very, very important. There are other causes of kidney disease, and you have to actually be careful. Now, when they tell you, don't hold your urine, once you are pressed, go to the toilet, ease yourself. People don't listen, they don't want to hear. But this little thing that we actually neglect, actually causes kidney diseases. Holding your urine, it can cause a backup of this urine into the kidney, and it can cause pressure, build up pressure in that kidney, and reduce kidney function. So don't hold your urine. And also blockage of the artery that takes blood to the kidney can also cause kidney diseases. These are things that you have to actually avoid. Very, very important. Once you're pressed, go to the toilet, ease yourself. Don't hold it. Very, very important. So don't play at At all. Don't even play with your kidney at all, at all. No one actually wants to experience this at all. Oh, you don't want to experience the symptoms. You don't want to experience being in that position. So please and please, once you are pressed, go to the toilet and ease yourself. Now, other things can actually cause this kidney disease, from malaria to yellow fever to illegal intake of drugs. Don't take all this bad substance into your body. Cocaine, heroin, very, very harmful to the kidney. It gives the kidney extra work to do. In detoxifying these substances in the body, the kidney actually performs more work that it is supposed to do, thereby weakening its function. And please, these substances we take in are very, 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 very harmful to the body. And avoid exposure to harmful chemicals like lead, solvents, and other industrial chemicals. Mind how you actually expose yourselves to them. They are very, very dangerous to the body. And also, reduce your intake of alcohol. We know alcohol is actually a little good. It's good for the body, but a little quantity of it is actually okay. But once you take alcohol too much, it actually causes damage to your kidney. You have to actually know that. Take note of this point, and probably we could actually avoid kidney diseases and prevent it or a recurrence in the future. And point of note also, family history of kidney disease can also cause kidney failure or kidney disease. If your family have a history of the disease, it is actually possible that it could actually occur again. So you have to note, these are something we have to actually note and be careful about. There are many things we have to actually do to take care of our body to live up to ripe age. You see, our fathers, our mothers, our grandfathers, they live up to the ripe age of 90 something, 100, 80 something, and you're wondering, what have they been eating? What did they eat? My dear, they ate food, good food. Now, which brings us to how we can actually prevent these kidney diseases. First of all, eating healthy diet, eating the right food, taking the right amount of food, very, very important. Taking vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and the rest. Taking them at the right proportion is very, 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 very important. Don't forget fish, oh, don't forget meat, only meat. Yes, they are good for the body. And the kidney doesn't have to actually go through extra function of detoxify, because these things actually contain vitamins, nutrients for the body. Very, very good. They help the organs perform very well. Now, seriously, we have to actually look at what we take into our bodies. Very, very important. You don't just eat anyhow, you don't drink anyhow. It's not good for the body. So you have to actually take note of the things you take before you take them. Yes, because if you want to live up to ripe old age, you have to actually know what you are eating. Yes, you have to. Okay, well, taking that, and also exercises, physical activity, can exercise. It's not a must you do it every day, but at least try to keep fit, look good, keep your body fit. There is no harm in doing exercise, there is no harm in looking fit. These are things you do for your body. Those beautiful and handsome bodies that you have to actually take care of them now. If you don't, well, I've said my own. No. Well, avoid excessive alcohol, please, and drug use. Very, very important. Excessive alcohol. Nobody says you shouldn't take alcohol, no, but take a little quantity, because the body actually needs this alcohol. Yes, it does. And we could actually talk about that in subsequent sessions. But excessive alcohol is not good. Please and please try to reduce the alcohol you take. And before I forget, I talked about diabetes causing kidney disease. If we actually control our diabetes, we can't actually blame ourselves for having it, because, like I said, we'll talk about it next session. But once we control it, we can actually live well, live up to old age, do whatever we want to do without actually having the kidney disease. But once you leave it uncontrolled, you don't do anything about your diabetes, you don't treat it, you don't manage it, then you can and we're talking of kidney disease later in the future. Yes, we can. So please control your diabetes, eat right, exercise often, don't take alcohol too much. Oh, don't take illegal drugs. Don't take other substances. Don't abuse drugs. Very, very important. Because once, even the normal prescription that doctor gives to you, once you abuse it, it is drug abuse. Yes, it is. So these few tips I just gave is a way to actually take care of our body, stay fit, stay healthy, and avoid getting diseases. Because more, you don't want to go through the sessions, the therapies, the the surgery, subsequent surgery. Like, it's not an easy thing at all. Forget the financial aspect of it, but no one actually has to, like, no one wants to actually experience it. It's not good. A word is enough for the wise, like they say. So please heed to this little words of mine. And we've come to the end of this session, and I hope these few tips I just gave will actually go a long way in helping us actually prevent kidney diseases. Well, don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel. Yes, very, very important. Please and please subscribe to get notifications for more fun, healthy tips for you to take care of those beautiful and handsome bodies that you have. Yes, so you have to actually take care of them. And if you have any comments, any questions, just comment, ask your questions, and I will definitely reply to them promptly to the best of my knowledge. Oh, thank you so much for watching. Till next time, stay fit, eat healthy, and always stay happy. Bye.